Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what the Partridge does in Grow a Garden. So you are able to get it from the winter egg, which you can obtain by growing the Christmas tree plant. So you can earn it by talking to the lumberjack and view rewards. It's here, it's the winter egg. So it is just a rare pet here. This is what it looks like. I think okay, not I think. What it does is it basically um increases the winter. Nope. Okay, so all Christmas type plants within range have increased variant chance. So like for instance, when it's snowy, it could also have like ornamented or something like that. Um, but it just increases the chance of it. I think it's a little bit similar to the other pet. I don't remember which one it is. Like one of these pets have the ability to do that, but I don't remember which one. So I have to check back on that. But yeah, that is pretty much what the Partridge does. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.